Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the stage. Open your inventory and equip the mini spotlight. This saves activation time. Once done, scout the enemy base and identify the high-value target you want to illuminate. Make sure you have enough army capacity and a free builder to support follow-up actions. You do this to maximize value from the brief spotlight window, so plan which troops or spells will exploit the exposed area immediately after activation. You now focus on timing and placement. Once your bait troops reveal traps, move your main force to the chosen attack vector, then trigger the mini spotlight just as those troops are about to enter the exposed zone. This gives you a short window to use ranged troops or spells more effectively. Make sure to synchronize the spotlight with your spell cast and hero abilities, because the benefit lasts only a few seconds, so quick, decisive follow-up is why this works. You finish the attack by committing your damage dealers into the lit area, concentrate fire on the exposed defenses, and use precision spells to secure quick takedowns. Once done, move remaining troops to the next objective before the spotlight effect expires. If things go wrong, say traps or a defensive hero disrupts your plan, pause, note cooldowns, and reposition for a second attempt. Make sure the mini spotlight is off cooldown and your troops are stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.